Blessed are those who are pure in heart. That's why paradise and hell. That's why working hard for livelihood is the best prayer. Prophet Muhammad said, good for this generation, good for next generations in the future. Yeah, yeah. The name of Muhammad has been mentioned in the Bible, Ved, Quran. Yeah, yeah. কাজ না করলে নিজের ঘরও সামাল দেয়া যায় না। Yeah,